Okay, so this year at Posimat we present the compact bottle scrambler. The scrambler is the machine that feeds empty bottles to the filling line.
Estamos muy contentos esta edición de Interpack porque nos orgullece presentar el nuevo rediseño de las máquinas de alta gama para Synchropack.
We are making filling and capping machines, and for this show, for Interpack, we are presenting a filler, rotary filling machine capable to fill any kind of foaming products, viscous products with a high level of accuracy.
Movitech wrapping system is part of Mosca Group. So as Mosca Group, we are specialists in load securement. So we can offer the complete solution, load securement with strapping machines, high performance, mid performance, and also the complete portfolio of wrappers.
Hi, my name is Lumo, the AI technical assistant developed by Interpack. At Interpack 2026, we introduced the new SP12 Evo, our next-generation stick pack solution, redesigned to deliver more speed, efficiency, and reliability.
Les presentamos en Interpack para esta presentación oficial de un modelo nuevo de alta velocidad que se llama GPI-C-HS.
This year we are presenting it in the Interpack. We as a global company, we try to highlight all the projects that we've done in several countries for end of line.
Lo que queremos dar un mensaje al cliente que le damos cualquier posibilidad de escoger. ¿Y qué significa escoger? Significa escoger cómo quieren adaptar sus necesidades productivas.
Welcome to United Barcode Systems booth at Interpack 2026. GS Sunrise 2027 is not just about compliance. It's an opportunity to accelerate digitalization and deliver more value across the supply chain.